Good morning, Kate Shepherd Elementary. Today is Tuesday, January 17th, 2023. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty, and justice for all. You may now be seated. For today's breakfast and lunch. Breakfast, Hot Pocket, juice, yogurt, juice, fruit choice. Today's lunch, taco chips, black beans, and corn. Today's weather, high 73, low 61, partly 24% chance of rain. Birthdays, January 7th, Tobias, Ingram, Janaya, Foster, Kingston,
Prudence Stogner,
Kingston, Jones, Annie,
Arian Mitchell,
Shy, Lewis. Today's announcements. Thank you for teaching modeling and enforcing the inspections in the CAF. The noise levels are much better. Please continue to use the cup system, hallway, and restroom. Students should be silent during transportation times and when visiting restrooms. Continue to monitor restrooms and make sure that appropriate behavior is being displayed. Information informs. Remind students of informs policy, particular outerwear and shoes. Only school appropriate outerwear should be worn once they are inside the building. Jackets and sweatshirts should be a solid color, gray, blue, or black. Hoodies are not an appropriate uniform option. Please make sure students are wearing solid color sweaters or jackets in the complements with the uniform policy. ACAP students, the ACAP will take place in a few weeks. This is our time to get into late duty. Miss Lowe. Important dates. January 17th, report cards. January 20th, the 100 day of school. January 27th, honor walk. January 30th, faculty meeting. January 20th through 24th, Mardi Gras break. March 7th, spring pictures. Send your question. You can submit questions to the question box that will be located in the library. Joke of the day. How do you fix a cracked pumpkin? With a pumpkin patch. That's all for today's news. Have a fantastic Tuesday.